In this video, we are going to discuss about the third step in manufacture of concrete, that is transportation. So we know that the concrete has to be transported from one place to one place. The distance between those 2 points can be smaller, and in some situations it can be very large in terms of kilometers, right? So when it is near, we use a different kind of equipment, and if it is farther, we are going to use a different kind of machines. So we are going to say what are the ways in which you can transport this concrete from one place to another. So as you can see, these are the different methods through which you can transport the concrete from one place to another. First one is mortar pan, wheelbarrow, belt conveyors, crane buckets and ropeway, chute, transist mixer, pump and pipeline. These are the 7 ways in which you can transport the concrete from one place to another. We are going to see each and everything in detail, and we are going to see what is the advantage and disadvantages with each of these things. So coming to the first one, this is mortar pan. This is the equipment that you see most of the times. This is the most commonly seen. మనం తెలుగులో అయితే గమేలు అంటాము. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది మోటార్ ప్యాన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్ plastic or steel, and the advantage is it is very much useful to transport small amount of concrete from one place to one place. Okay, when you wanted to transport a little amount of concrete or little amount of cement mortar, you can use this, but the issue is it is exposed to what atmosphere. So for example, if you are trying to transport concrete in this pan during summer, during hot weather conditions, what happens is the water that is added to this concrete is going to evaporate and leave this concrete. The water that you added for the concrete for the hydration purpose is not going to be there. ఓకే, అందులో ఏదైతే వాటర్ మీరు యాడ్ చేస్తారో అది బయటికి పోతుందన్నమాట బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇవాపరేషన్. Wheelbarrow. This is the equipment with a single wheel and a handle. So a person can handle these two handles of this vehicle and push along the way from one place to one place. So it helps to transport the concrete in a larger compared to the mortar pan. So as you can see in this image, the problem with this is the concrete is going to be exposed to the environment, to the air, to the outer environment, to the sun, right? And this causes major problem in case of hot temperature during summer conditions, right? And moreover, when this concrete is being transported from one place to one place, there is a very much chance for this concrete to get vibrated. See, the surface may not be a level ground or a smooth ground, right? In the construction site, it is not going to be smooth. Okay, it is going to have some undulation. So when this concrete is moved from one place to one place, because of those vibrations, what happens is segregation is the thing that you are going to see. Segregation is going to happen. Okay, so this is an issue in case of wheelbarrow. And this is the third one. So belt conveyors. Belt conveyors are the conveyors in which you use them to transport the concrete from the vehicle, truck, mixer to the placing position. See, here this concrete is being placed at a particular location, and here is the vehicle. So from this vehicle, you can transport this concrete from this vehicle to this particular place by using mortar pan or wheelbarrow. But instead of that, from the vehicle to the place of placing this concrete, a conveyor belt is used here. So here we are using a conveyor belt. So through this conveyor belt, the concrete is going to be transported from this to here. And as you can say that when it is coming, there is a lot of vibration that is going to be happening in this conveyor belt. So there is a chance of segregation. And moreover, when the concrete is being transferred to the through this conveyor belt, ఈ కన్వేయర్ బెల్ట్ మీద కాంక్రీట్ అనేది స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతుంది, అంటే ఇంకా ఈజీగా వాటర్ అనేది పోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. దేర్ ఈస్ అ హైయర్ ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ గెటింగ్ evaporated when it is coming through this conveyor belt. And moreover, when the environment is dry or the windy or hot weather conditions, the evaporation of water is going to be high, and because of the vibrations of the conveyor belt, segregation is going to be seen. Cranes and buckets. With the help of the cranes, we have a big large buckets here. As you can see, here is the opening, here is the opening, and this is the bucket, and the concrete is poured here, and we use this bucket to transport that concrete. We use this crane and this bucket. Okay, this is very much helpful when you are trying to use concrete in a very large proportion, such as like a mat foundation or a large slab. Fifth one, dump. Pump can be used to transport the concrete from one place to another. And in recent days, this is the method that you are commonly being seen out, right? So what happens in this is concrete is transported by which work here. This is a pumping system, and we have pipes, and this concrete is going, which is in the truck, is going to be taken by this pump through the suction, and it is going to be transported, pushed to the required height or to required elevation. See, this is the method that is very much helpful in tunneling and in the high-rise buildings. In high-rise buildings, we go for the crane, bucket, or pumping system. And in tunneling also, and the tunnels chala podugununtayi, you cannot make the truck, maybe the truck is not able to go into the tunnel. I mean, if it goes, maybe that is not convenient for other type of work to be done there. So what do we do is we put the pumping network at the outside at the entrance, and we will have a pipe network into this tunnel, and that pipes are used to transport the concrete to whatever distance we wanted to transport it. This is a mixer drum that rotates. This is a drum that rotates at a particular speed. As you can see, revolutions of transfer mixer is 2 to 3 per minute. ఒక నిమిషానికి 2 నుంచి 6 revolutions కంప్లీట్గా చేస్తుంది. బట్ దేర్ ఆర్ ట్రక్ మిక్సర్ ఆల్సో. అవేంటి అంటే on the way they are going to mix the concrete, so that has to be rotating at the higher speed, right? So that rotates at 4 to 16. This transit mixer and truck mixer are different. They look same, but they are different because ట్రాన్స్మిట్ మిక్సర్ అనేది జస్ట్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకొక ప్లేస్కి. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ మిక్స్ అయిపోయిన కాంక్రీట్ని ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. కానీ ట్రక్ మిక్సర్ ఏంటి అంటే అది మిక్స్ చేస్తుంది కాంక్రీట్ని ఆన్ ది వే. ఓకే, సో ది వాల్యూమ్ ఈజ్ అరౌండ్ 4 to 7 cubic meters. ఓకే, ఈ కాంక్రీట్ని కూడా ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకొస్తారంటే ఆర్ఎంసి ప్లాంట్ నుంచి, రెడీ మిక్స్ కాంక్రీట్ నుంచి. సో chute is nothing but this equipment. This chute is helpful when the concrete is being transported from ground level to lower level. ఒక లెవెల్ నుంచి దాని కింద లెవెల్లోకి మనం వేయాలనుకునేటప్పుడు ఈ చూట్ అనేది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్, సి కాంక్రీట్ అనేది ఈ లెవెల్లో నుంచి ఈ లెవెల్లో ప్లేస్ చేయాల్సి ఉంది, లోవర్ లెవెల్లో. సో దిస్ షూట్ ఈస్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్. ఈ షూట్ మీద వేస్తే this moves the concrete, it makes the concrete due to gravity to reach the bottom level, right? And in the right side image also you can see the concrete is being transported from the vehicle to the ground surface. Okay, you can use this chute when you wanted to transport the concrete from higher elevation to lower elevation. And this is the last one, skip and hoist. So we have a platform here, we have a system here, just like a lift. It works as a lift that you see, lift laga panchestundi. So we have a container which is fixed to this, and when you add motor, due to this motor, this container is going to move up and down. So you place the concrete here, it transports that and it dumps it. Okay, and again it comes down, again you put that concrete and put it. So this is not helpful to transport very large amount of concrete. So In the next class, we are going to discuss about the fourth step, that is placing of concrete. Thank you.